Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Update Steam OS and enable Bluetooth in settings so the deck is ready to discover new devices. Put your AirPods Max into pairing mode by holding the noise control button until the LED blinks. This signals they are discoverable. Once the LED flashes, make sure Steamdeck is on the Bluetooth page and scanning. Do this now so the deck can detect the headphones. It avoids delays and stops needing to troubleshoot basic connectivity later. With AirPods Max discoverable, scan on the Steamdeck's Bluetooth page and look for the exact device name. Select it and choose Pair or Connect. Once paired, go to Quick Access, then sound to set AirPods Max as the active output and input if needed. If Steam prompts for authorization, accept it. The deck may install a Bluetooth profile. Keep the two devices close during this step to avoid dropouts. After pairing, test audio with a short clip to verify both playback and mic behavior. To finalize, fine-tune audio settings. Change codecs or sample rates in sound settings if latency or quality is problematic. This can improve performance. If the headset won't connect, toggle Bluetooth off and on. Forget the AirPods Max on the deck and repair. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the AirPods Max by holding the digital crown and noise control button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then pair again. These steps resolve most stubborn connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.